Hi guys, welcome back. We're looking at the next slide in section 5.4 in historical observations of Mars. This slide is going to be about an Italian astronomer and historian of science named Giovanni Schiaparelli. You may recall in The Martian, the main character is trying to get to Schiaparelli crater on the surface of Mars so that he can access a rocket that's been left there and get into space where he's rescued. Schiaparelli was an Italian. He lived about 120 years ago. I think he died in 1910 or so. But in the late 1800s, he turned a telescope to Mars to make a map of it. Now, many people had done this, and for reasons that aren't entirely clear to me, Schiaparelli's map is the one that we kind of go back to. I don't know if it was the best or the most relevant, but astronomers seem to value Schiaparelli's map over, I don't know, half a dozen others that would have been available. Schiaparelli did a number of things here. You can see his map is significantly better than Christian Huygens' map. He had access to larger and better telescopes, and both of those matter. But he had all of these canals, right? And here's sort of what happened. Schiaparelli is an Italian, and so he takes all of these lines that he believed he saw on the surface of the planet, and he called them canali, which in Italian means channels. When you hear the word channel, you might think of TV, but you also think of a water channel, right? Or a sort of a naturally occurring feature. When canali got translated into English, it got translated as canal. A canal is an obviously artificial. Canals are made by human beings, they don't occur naturally. And so when English speakers, particularly in the United States, read about Schiaparelli and his map, they believed he was talking about canals that had been built by some sort of a civilization. About the only other thing there is to say about this map is that you might recognize some of the names. Hellas, for example, represents the Hellas Basin. Or over here, Tharsis is where the large volcanoes are. And there's a number of other features on here that you would find on a modern map of Mars. And so Schiaparelli's names, or many of his names, I should say, are used in modern Martian features.